This is Paazuri Residence. Welcome to the living room area. It's spacious, well ventilated, and there's provision of ACs in every room. So on this side is the master bedroom and suite. It comes with spaces for 2 closets, his and hers. You know what all that means. And it also has a bathroom that comes with an inbuilt washroom inside, hot shower, and a very, very beautiful sink where you can just do your makeup, clean up, and everything. Over here we have the common bathroom. We have the common washroom where visitors come and visit when they need to relieve themselves. You also have a nice classy sink. You can do your makeup here or something else. There's enough room for that here. This is the kitchen area. It's still yet to be finished. We still have to put sinks here and cabinets, but this is the whole idea of the kitchen area. So the kitchen area has a wide access to the beach view. Here, you can decide to put your dining table outside here or inside there. So you have access to the beach view. You can check out how the beach is like. You can get to have breeze from the beach. Yeah. So this is the second bedroom. It's also quite spacious. It also has wide windows for well ventilation. Yeah, this is the closet room. And yeah, so we're going to the next room now. This is the bathroom that is going to be shared by the 2 rooms. It has the hot shower area, it has the washroom, the toilet area. It also has a nice simple sink where you can do your things too here. And finally, this is the bedroom, the third bedroom here. This is the 3rd bedroom. It also has a wide window where you can wake up to the beach view, sunrise and sunset, you name it all. It also has a closet room, and it's quite spacious as you can see. So I will be taking you to the laundry room where you're going to do your laundry. You're going to wash up every single laundry you have. So here is the laundry room. This is the idea of the laundry room. There'll be 2 sinks and there's a space for your washing machine. This is where everything is going to go down laundry wise. Finally, this is the servants' quarter. You can host your guests here. They can sleep here, or if maybe you have a helper, a nanny, they can reside here. It also comes with a clean, nice bathroom that is also very classy. Same idea as the one inside the house, hot water and everything. Very unique, very clean. Yeah, so that's basically most of what this house entails.
Wimark Properties, credible luxury.